Think you need exotic ingredients to stay healthy? Nope. Your kitchen is secretly stocked with superfoods. Let's meet the health heroes hiding in plain sight. Garlic, the germ ninja, packed with allicin. Garlic fights bacteria, viruses, and maybe even your mother-in-law's gossip. Turmeric, the golden healer. Curcumin inside fights inflammation and joint pain, plus it makes your curry extra glow. Why? Ginger, the tummy whisperer. Say goodbye to nausea and bloating. Ginger's got anti-inflammatory magic and smooth digestion powers. Spinach, the leafy legend, loaded with iron, folate, and antioxidants. Popeye wasn't wrong, folks. Tomatoes, the heart hero, full of lycopene, they help lower cancer risk and keep your heart doing a happy dance. Cinnamon, the sugar soother, helps balance blood sugar and adds a little spice to your wellness routine. Yogurt, the gut guardian, with live probiotics, yogurt keeps your gut flora happy and immune system strong. Lemon, the detox dynamo, vitamin C booster, detoxifier, and mood lifter. When life gives you lemons, your health says thanks. These kitchen staples are budget-friendly, nutrient-rich, and ready to boost your health. No cape required. Disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes only. Talk to a healthcare provider for personal nutrition advice.